Bernard Fardier sounds like the name of a businessman from Paris rather than a log transport truck. I picked this model up in two parts. I got the truck in a large lot from eBay and found the trailer with its load in a bargain box at a monthly collector's fair in the neighborhood. This is one of the early Majorette models with no rivets, so this will be an interesting one to do. Hi everyone, I'm Johan and this is Belgian Diecast Restorations, your place for diecast factory resets and makeovers.
Welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations.
My Majorette catalogs go back to 1968 and the Bernard log transporter was already featured in that year. So if you know when Majorette first introduced the model, please let me know in the comments. It was produced in a variety of colors, with early models having truck and trailer painted in the same color and later models leaving the trailer bare metal. Early models also had a metal chain to secure the load. This was replaced with a plastic chain in later models. Bernard Société Anonyme was a French truck manufacturer, established in 1923 by Edouard Bernard as a company that exclusively designed hydraulic tipper trucks. From 1927 on, Bernard became a name for high-quality trucks. In 1963, the company was acquired by American truck manufacturer Mack. Bernard lasted for 3 more years until the brand was discontinued in 1966. Majorette's truck is based on the 60s Bernard TDA 180 35-ton semi-truck. The striking design with a large cornered windscreen and chrome outlined grille earned it the nickname Cabine Télévision, or TV cab. Both truck and trailer are in similar playworn condition. The paint on the truck is chipped and the window is scratched up. The trailer is pretty corroded and the load is not original, however the chains are still there. I will try to bring these two back to the 1968 version as shown in the catalogue, so I got the tools and give this model a factory reset. The Bernard truck and logging trailer are one of the oldest Majorette models. And like most models of that age, they are both playworn and the trailer is pretty corroded. It still had its original chains, but the load was not original. The truck had chipped paint and scratched windows and was in dire need of a refresh. Both truck and trailer look great in light blue. I polished the windscreen, cleaned axles and wheels and detailed the front grille to make it look like an actual Bernard truck. Most work was on the trailer to remove the rust and the pitting, and it received 3 new lugs from the garden. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, as this helps my videos to climb up in YouTube's algorithm. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.
Belgian Diecast Restorations.